Alright guys, hope you're well today. I'm going to show you how to add a featured image to your blog post using Elementor. It's really simple, so I'll show you on the computer now. Okay guys, so what we're going to do first is add a new post. Okay, so I'm just going to call this random, and then I'm just going to click publish here. Wait for this to load. Okay, so that should now be the latest post in the website. So if I go to the home page, let's refresh that. Okay, so there isn't a featured image here for random because I've just loaded the page, and there's not one either for this one here. So for this video, I'm just going to show you how to add a featured image for this one, and it'll be exactly the same if you're going to add it to any other post. Right, so if I go back to random one, and all you need to do is scroll down here, select an image from your media library or upload one. Let's go for this one. Update. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Let's refresh that. And there you go, that's your featured image. So it's pretty straightforward. This really confused me when I first started using Elementor, but once you start doing it, it's pretty straightforward. So let me just go into edit with Elementor, that random page that we just set up. Almost loaded. And there you go, that featured image is actually showing right here. So, and obviously you've got all your different widgets to build the website with here. This is the other part where you can actually add a featured image. So if you didn't want to do it at the back end of WordPress, you click the settings button here at the bottom, and then you can change it from there. So we'll go to the media library, and we'll do the same again. We'll just go for this one here. Update. Let's wait for that to load again. So let's just refresh this same page. This is the only downside to Elementor. It can be a little bit slow sometimes, but it might just be my internet. Okay, so that's now changed to the new featured image. So like I said, settings on the left, and then you change it that way. And if we go to the home page, it should have changed to the new image. So just going to refresh this. And there you go. So that's basically how you add a featured image into any blog article that you've added to your website using Elementor within WordPress.